Hello, I'm Larry Lipsey, Senior Sales Manager here at INFiLED. At LDI, we're debuting our brand new HL series. This is a transparent product that's designed for creative applications, perfect for music festivals and concerts. It's a 500 by 1,000 panel, and it can be used in a number of different ways. One thing that makes it unique is you can make it in a right angle and build a square and do other shapes with it. So there's really no limit to the creativity with our brand new HL series. It's also unique that it's a 3.9 pixel pitch horizontal and a 7.8 pixel pitch vertical, which increases the transparency. We encourage you to come to our booth and visit our website at infiled.com. That's INFiLED.com.